looking at them a while, but it's the roller seat from Harbor Freight. And let's see what we got in the box here. Some red rollers, that's for sure. All right. That's the seat, I'm sure. So, 5 casters. I was expecting 4, so that's pretty good. All right. And of course, you got the pneumatic center post here that goes in there. You can raise it and lower it. It's kind of like an office chair, which is kind of nice. Eventually go there. Of course, you got instructions, and I know you guys never read them anyway. So let's see. There's the lever on it. There you go. How about that for buying it, installing it, putting it together? Pretty easy. I'm gonna use it.